So, andito pa rin tayo sa Azure to check this new foreclosed condo unit. This is in Miami, 9th floor. And this is a corner unit, 2-bedroom. And it comes with a parking space. Okay, but before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. Ito po yung bathroom niya. So, maayos pa naman siya. Konting linis lang. Minor repairs only. So, meron tayong window dito sa gilid because it's a corner unit. And may view po siya ng clubhouse, Paris Hilton Beach Club. Okay. This is the bedroom 1. Of course, may built-in cabinet na kasama. Then may bintana ulit tayo sa side. This is around 49 square meters. And yung balcony niya is, ayan po, abot hanggang dun sa kabilang bedroom. So it's a wrap-around balcony. This is around 6.3 million and it comes with a parking space. So ayan po ang view niya, swimming pool, then basketball court and yung Paris Hilton Beach Club. And may view din po ng wave pool or ng beach-inspired swimming pool. And then may konting view rin po kayo ng Laguna de Bay. So it's a sunrise po ang orientation niya. So hindi siya ganun kainit kapag hapon. Kasi pag hapon, ayun o, doon ang gagaling yung araw. Ayan po. So this is available in cash or at least 5% down payment and then 95% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So this is the other bedroom. May cabinet pa rin po siyang kasama and then may access din po siya sa wrap-around balcony niya. So ayun po ang view niya. Yung swimming pool na po yan is for unit owners only. Kaparehas po yan nung lap pool. Banda dun sa may tapat ng beach club. And then ito yung pinaka-common, yung beach inspired or yung wave pool. Para po yan sa mga tenant or sa mga nag-Airbnb staycation.